YouTube, man? It's your boy Crunch Time, man. I'm back with another video. So in this video here, man, I'm gonna show you a couple of mods that I'm actually gonna do to the vehicle. It's been a long time coming for this mod here. It has annoyed me since I got the car, and if you have a Challenger or a Charger, you'll know what I'm talking about. So the mod that I'm going to actually do to the car today is actually putting on black lug nuts. I don't know why they don't come with black lug nuts on any Mopar vehicle or any vehicle. That's mostly a sports car. If you like chrome, if that's your thing, then I understand that. But me, chrome is not my thing. So with black wheels, I feel like black wheels should have black lug nuts. So without further ado, I have a package that came in. This package here is actually black lug nuts. So these black lug nuts here, I'm actually going to put in my vehicle. So I actually tried to get the same size lug nuts that I actually have on the Challenger here. So these here I got off eBay. I think they were $29.99 for just normal black lug nuts here. Alright, so a little something that I'm doing different. I see that you can see it in the news, you can see it on YouTube, you can see it on any social media site that people are actually stealing Mopars, preferably Hellcats, Trackhawks, 392 Scat Packs. They really don't mess with the V6s or the V8 RTs or the SXTs, V6s. So what I chose to do is go with the local brand. It's here in the United States, called Advanced Wheel Locks. Advanced Wheel Locks are a United States made company, if you can see it here, made in the USA, and they have a specific wheel lock that goes into your vehicle. So open this up. Alright, so Advanced Wheel Locks here, this is a little booklet. Alright, and this right here is actually what they send you. So they send this right here to you. Get a close up. Alright, see it? What it is these are 4 lug nuts. Now what's so special about these lug nuts here is the notches here. So they put notches here for the key. So the key itself is supposed to be a 1 of 1. So when you actually get these made, they actually send you a special key here, and inside of the key it has channel locks. Inside of here it has different channels of where the key sits, and it locks in. So here, there it locks in. I can't spin it any other way other than the right way. So the normal wheel locks that you get from AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, or any other auto store that you can get wheel locked from, those are no good. Let's just be honest, those are no good. So I went with this company here. I found the company actually on Facebook, so I decided to give them a try. I actually ordered 2 wheel locks just in case. Keep one at home, keep one in the car somewhere hidden. And this right here will eliminate someone trying to steal my wheels. I do have original HC2 Hellcat wheels on my vehicle, 20-inch, 9.5 all around. And I don't want someone stealing something that I worked hard for. So what I'm going to do is, in this video here, I'm going to put these on the vehicle with the black wheel lug nuts, and I'm going to see how everything looks. Also, inside of the booklet here, they actually give you the steps and everything here of registering your wheel locks and everything else. They actually give you a code. Can't show you the code, but they're going to give you a code here to actually put on the inside of your door. So this is my thing here. Thieves are going to see that code, and they can actually call to probably get a new key code, but they got to know your information. They got to know, everything about you when you contact the seller for the company to actually get your passcode to get another wheel lock, and it's not going to be right away. I think they send it out within 24 to 48 hours to you. So just in case you lose your wheel lug nuts. I mean your wheel locks. In case you lose your wheel locks, they actually send you a replacement here to actually change out. I think this is a perfect product for anybody who has any type of aftermarket wheels. I see guys out here with Forgiatos, guys out here with Rucci wheels, guys out here with Corleone Forge. Any type of wheel that you think is actually worth it, I say do it. Even if you got stock wheels on your car, these guys now, they don't care. They still in stock wheels. They still in the whole damn car. They don't care, excuse my French. They're still in the whole car. So why not do something to protect yourself? So right now, I'm gonna show you guys what the car looks like right now with the actual wheel lug nuts on it right now. What my car looks like now. So, chrome. I'm not a fan of chrome. I'm just not a fan of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these off. I'm not gonna jack up the car. I'm gonna do it without jacking up the car. Break the wheel lug nuts off. Put on the black ones. Put on the actual wheel lock, and give you guys an honest review of it within a couple of days or so, if I can tell a difference or if this is worth having. Check me out. So when you're actually done putting your wheels on, they actually give you a sticker here. I'm gonna cover up my code. What you're gonna do is take that sticker here and put it here inside of your door jamb of your car. This right here is the reason. So if you ever lose your locks or anything like that, you know, or the paperwork, you know exactly what key code is here for your wheel locks. And like I said, the company will send you wheel locks and everything else for your car to get the wheel locks off in case of emergency, anything like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, put this sticker on, and then I'm going to get back with you guys with a walk around the vehicle, so see how it looks with all black lug nuts and the wheel locks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here it is right here. This right here is actually what the wheels look like with the lug nuts and everything on it. So you got here, you got the locking wheel locks. You got the all black. So I think it makes it look a little better, man. That chrome, man, wasn't a good deal. I feel like if you got black wheels, you need to go ahead and put black lug nuts on. I got to clean it up just a little bit because of the tape that I had inside of the crossbar. Take them off. I think it looked damn good. I think it looked good. I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. But this right here is, you know, gonna do it for the video. I think personally, anybody who has this on their car should go ahead and put the black lug nuts on and the black wheel locks. Keep your car from getting stolen. Like I say, these Mopars, man, are the hottest thing out right now. Everybody and their mom wants to have a Mopar. If they can't have it, they're gonna steal it. So I say you do everything possible to keep anybody from stealing your car, your wheels, or anything that you have inside your car. Make sure you got some good insurance on your car too. Like I say, I've seen a lot of videos where guys been defending themselves against thieves and carjackers. Hey, if you're gonna take it, man. My life is not worth this car. And that goes out to anybody, man. Your life is not worth a car. Car can be replaced, but your life can't. You know, so I say for anybody who actually has a Mopar, black wheels, go ahead and put those black lug nuts on, man. Gives it a more aggressive look. That should be way more aggressive than the chrome. Chrome is played out, man. I'll just go ahead and say it. I don't want to hurt no feelings out there, but chrome is played out, man. Look at that. That looks damn good. All right, man. Like I say, it's your boy Crunch Time. I want you guys to like, share, and subscribe to the video, to my channel. 2021, we're going up. I'm gonna put out more videos. Actually, in the process right now of actually editing a few videos. So this right here will come out in a couple of days. Other than work, I'm going to put out more videos pertaining to the car, army lifestyle, a little bit of gaming and stuff like that. But I want you guys to follow my channel. I want you guys to like, share, subscribe, and go ahead and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified when I put out a video, man. So I want to thank you guys for coming to my channel, and I want you guys to look forward to the next video. Peace.
I'm gon' ride around my city and stunt my shit. I fuck on Cutlass, Regals, and Rams V12s. Gotta have something fast just to